Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, guys, we're gonna be learning how to, well, I'm gonna be learning how to roller skate. These people already know how to do it. Now, you're gonna see me bust my behind a few times, but hey, it comes with the, comes with the territory. So we're gonna be doing it in the house right now because I'm not trying to go outside to bruise my, first of all, bruise my body or bruise my ego. So I already have all my skates. First of all, let's see. I'm on the carpet right now. There's a little easy on the carpet, so I'll be doing it on the carpet. So I can do it on the carpet, of course, it's easier. Now is the moment that you guys.
Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection. What is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy, reality, whoa. That's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside then. See me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside then. You see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Best foot forward, don't catch you slipping. Never know the things that you're feeling. Capture your body, get your best side. Breathe in the world, fake us a smile. Walk in the lines, fine. But I hope one day you'll break through.
Push the basket all the way.
You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside then. You see me now, see me now, see now.
Why am I doing backwards?
Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside then. You see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now.
Okay, now space back here. So it's much more easier.
Think that it's promising making copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through.
Is it what you're gonna
Because
do?
you set up the angle. Web that you we've got us tangled. Caught in
I can do it on here.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can do it on here. Everyone in the world can do it on here. But you need to learn how to do it on here. It's turn. It's really easy.
I don't know how to do it.
So what do you think will help you learn?
I don't know.
What's your question?
My question, how to turn?
You have 7 to watch and learn. So I'm gonna go and turn.
Okay, if you're in the park, how are you turning with nothing around?
Okay, this is how I turn.
Like if you're in the park. And there's no wall. How are you turning? Every time I, oh.
Okay, let me show you how I
perfection. What is
Look, you did go onto that table.
15
Yeah,
seconds of
no.
fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy reality.
You don't dress like that. You
I'll keep
actually
doing
dress like
mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside then.
No cat.
See me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life.
It's simple.
See it now, see it now, see now.
Follow your
Be
feet.
living your good
Ooh.
Catch a glimpse of the outside.
Guys, I just made it all the way around and leave for.
Wait. Let me see what I know what she's talking about. You go like this. That goes. She's gonna be like this. I know what you're talking about. This is all looks like when you're going out. You don't want to go out. That's how looks are.
What's the news?
Capture your body, get your best side. Breathe in the world. Walk in the lines, fine.
Look, I just got myself.
You'll break
Yeah.
But why is this one going?
Put it down. Put it down. You have to put pressure. Put pressure.
You'll be living your good
Okay.
And balance.
Pressure and balance. Hey! Pressure and balance.
Okay, so when you're going like I know what you're talking about. When you're going out like this, you gotta push your. You have to push. So when you do it, you have to get this. Push your foot. Push your foot. Push your foot. That's the only way not to fall. So you know that person who had not to step like that's not gonna do anything. I think. Yeah.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through. Only cause you said it. That you might not
Here's my dad making less hurt.
Oh my god, why am I always falling here though?
Because you can't turn.
It's yours, but I'll be
Yeah,
doing
well, why should I
mine.
fall around that part? My question. It's open. It's
You'll be living your good life.
Alright, I'll see that YouTube.
Outside then you see me now, see me now, see now.
Oh man.
Once you get it, you have to try not to.
But the thing is, look, the balance.
Oh, you don't need to cross like that. How come I never fell? I was trying to do what you were doing, crossing over. I never fell.
People still make mistakes. It isn't perfection. Is it we choose?
That's why I'm pushing Julia if you're in my way.
And that's why you lean forward. It's
Give
not
me the
that.
messy, give
Like
me the
that.
pain.
Mom, it only shows them when you lean going
Be
on.
someone who says
We are
it's more than
all-
meets the eye. Show off your fantasy reality. Whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Best foot forward, don't catch you slipping. Never know the things that you're feeling. Capture your body, get your best side. Breathe in the world, fake us a smile. Walk in the lines, fine. But I hope one day you'll break through. You'll be living your good life.
fall on you.
I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back.
It's not scary.
All the time. Pictures so perfect we play through. Only cause you set up the angle. Web that you we've got us tangled. Caught in what's before our eyes. Show all the fantasy.
I fell that one.
It's yours, but I'll keep doing mine.
Anyway.
You be living your life. Can't wait to the outside then you
Then your earpiece came off.
And get back up again. Oh, something little.
Yes, because dinner is useless.
Okay.
I will get this. Okay.
Wait, okay, so I'll
It isn't perfection. What is it we chase? About for your 50
get
seconds
enough this out.
it's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says it's more than meets the eye.
This turn, this turn.
How do I turn?
Of your fantasy reality, whoa. That's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your
I'm sorry, Dylan. Dylan, this is a better teacher.
lives of the
Okay.
outside then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need
Diamond, move before you get followed. Oh, you about to fall. That's the second time around without falling.
This is how it stops. When you move, no, this is so you don't fall. If you don't want to move backwards, you have to do this.
That really helped my hand, bro.
The first one hit my elbow.
Breathe in the world, fake us a smile, walk in the lines, fine. But I hope one day you'll break through.
This side.
You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see. Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through. Only cause you set up the angle. Web that you we've got us tangled. Caught in what's before our
Alright guys, so that's it for the day. I have enough training for the day. And I bust my ass enough for the day. I will continue practicing, and I'm gonna keep showing you guys my progress. I don't know if we're gonna do this daily or probably on a weekly basis, but we're gonna do it as much as possible until I get it, because the girls are trying to help me learn how to do this. So yeah. Alright guys, if you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you could know each time I upload one of these videos, and you guys can follow my progress and see how I'm doing. It's gonna take a while because this thing is kicking my butt. That last one kicked my butt. Alright guys, catch you guys in the next one. Bye.